this video, I'll show you how to make a phone call on any smartwatch. So just go to your smartwatch settings. So let me just show you an example. Come to my contact. Then let me call this number. You see, I am dialing a number. And then you can see my phone is dialing it and it is dialing here using my smartwatch. So simply with the aid of my smartwatch, I can make a phone call from my phone. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make phone calls with any smartwatch. So just make sure that your smartwatch is Bluetooth enabled and it can make phone call. And once that is settled, then following this guide, you'll be able to turn on the option to make phone calls with your smartwatch on your hand. So the first thing you want to do is you want to connect your smartwatch and your smartphone together. Here I'm using the Xiaomi Mi Bro Lite 2. And then once I open the application, if you don't have the application installed, just go to the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. If you are using an iPhone, just go to Play Store. So I'm going to search Play Store. So once you get to Play Store, here you want to search for Mi Bro Lite. Mi Bro Fit app. Then you need to download and install the Mi Bro Fit app on your phone. Once downloaded, open the Mi Bro Fit app. And then you'll be prompted to set up your account. Once you set up your account, you want to click on device and then connect your smartwatch and your mobile phone together using the mobile app and then click on notification. Once you click on device, so once you connected your smartwatch and your smartphone together, then click on device and click on notifications. Once you click on notifications, toggle on the option to reject calls and SMS. Then under here, you want to choose phone call. You can see my phone call is enabled. Then choose phone calls. And once phone call is enabled, the next thing you want to do is you want to come to your smartwatch, just like this. So you want to dial the number you want to call. So let's say this is my smartwatch screen. Then here is my phone call. That is my contact. Then you say I have contact, recent calls, and dial number. So if I choose dial number, I will say option to dial a number. So you just need to type the number you want to dial, or if you have some number or contact saved on your smartwatch, let me go to my contact, and then you can see I have some contacts saved on my smartwatch. I can just dial this number from here, and then this will automatically initiate the call on my mobile phone, and then the call will come in. You see that? So I am making the call on my smartwatch and it dials on my phone, and automatically it is ringing from the source, and automatically it is sending out the call. So this is how to make a phone call on any smartwatch. If this video is helpful, if you want to hit the like button, of course, you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos just like this.